My name is John. I work with Pride Plumbing Services, or a service and repair plumbing company. Today we're up here, it's a beautiful day up in Big Bear, California, and we're going to be installing a frost-free hose bib. So these kind of climates, it gets really cold and the water inside your pipes can actually burst. Up here there are a lot of short-term rentals like Airbnb and stuff, and then they forget to turn the water off. That's just going to, leave you at risk for, having something freeze and burst. We see a lot of people, wrap it up in insulation, seen pillows, blankets, lots of duct tape. That'll help for a little bit, but you're really kind of putting yourself at risk. So the frost-free hose bibs, basically what they do is they shut the water off inside of the home, inside the insulated area, so you don't have any water that's exposed to the elements and the temperatures. So the installation of the Aquor is going to be very similar to other frost-free hose bibs. It's very simple installation. The installation, from start to finish, should be done about 45 minutes to an hour. With the Aquor system, it is going to be flush mounted to your house. It's a 100% stainless steel body. It's going to be more resistant to freezing, and the stainless steel is just going to last a heck of a lot longer. It's going to look really nice finished.